So I'm in Malaga and this train goes to Malaga, and I'll be really pretty sure that a lot of people will get off this train thinking it goes to Fuengirola. People just get on people get on the train for the fun of it. So we shall see. So my train's going to be here about about 10 to. Dodgy clock going on, but I'm pretty sure there's going to be a lot of people getting off the train thinking that it goes to Fuengirola. So it says Adara. We shall see. Just for the fun of it. There you go. There's one. Here we go. See how many more people get off. All these people getting off. People can't read. People ask. People are getting off the train. It goes to Adara, everybody. And that's it. So I was trying to say to a couple of ladies, this goes to Alara, but they weren't even listening to me. Shit happens. Yeah. Here we go to Alara. So yeah, I thought I'd do a silly video. There's me in the say hello, waving to myself to the other people on the other platform. People think there's two platforms. There's just a fucking mirror there. But anyway, it's nice to be back on YouTube, even though no one watching my videos. Look, do go and shit? Not really. Okay, calm down. So that's the only problem with these trains here. There's only one platform here at Alameda. So you have to be really careful and read signs and learn to read.